Bollywood has always welcomed comebacks, be it Kajol and Fana or Rani Mukherjee in No One Killed Jessica, and so does in year 2012. Bollywood had three major comebacks. Let's find out from public which one is their favorite.
I think it's Sridevi for English Winglish because it's been a long time that we've not seen her on screen, and she was very good. Like she was a very homely character and character you would relate to.
Sridevi any day. It was unexpected and the movie was good. It was entertaining. She was entertaining.
Sridevi for English Winglish. She's done a superb job. It's been a great entry.
I like Sridevi from English Winglish maybe because she had that old-time charm, and she is one of those old-time actresses who has the same charm right now also, so she can still woo the people.
I would go with Sridevi because she has done it very nicely and the movie was meaningful. She was able to portray what she wants to tell. She had those, sweet kind of innocence that old-time people have.
I think Sridevi did a really good job because out of all the actresses that did do a comeback, she played a role that was a little low profile. Didn't go very exquisite with it, but still made it very special to play. So I think Sridevi should be the chosen one for comebacks.
I guess Sridevi from English Winglish, like looking to her acting and all, like she's already a legend, so her comeback was great.
Sridevi. The movie was awesome.
Karishma Kapoor, though the movie wasn't that great, but I think the way she acted and in front of the camera and all made it look good.
I like Sridevi because it's a very nice movie. Like the way they've shown the way Indian moms are treated and everything. It's pretty true.
Sridevi because she's just amazing.
No doubt Sridevi. If you watch English Winglish, I think every housewife of this entire nation can relate to it.
Sridevi for English Winglish. It's just very nice. It was a very nice movie.
Comeback was Sridevi, English Winglish. She has done a very nice job. After a long time, seeing her was good.
Sridevi because English Winglish beats Dangerous Ishq and Bhoot Returns, of course. I like Sridevi. She's done an amazing comeback in English Winglish.
Absolutely Sridevi for English Winglish.
I like Sridevi from English Winglish.
Sridevi, I loved her in English Winglish. She's as graceful as ever.
This is what public has to say, but what do you think? Post in your comments on youtube.com/BollywoodNow and facebook.com/BollywoodNow videos. In Mumbai with cameraman Kamaldeep Singh, this is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.